Fact, there are hundreds of facial sunscreen on the market. Other fact, no human being actually has time to try them all. That's why we're doing the deep digging and test driving to find the very best one. Hi, I'm Katherine, the Kids Beauty Director. For the past few weeks, I've smeared my face with every SPF under the sun to find the holy grail. I tested over 20 of them, and I'm going to take you through my top 3. First up is Neutrogena's Hydro Boost Water Gel Sunscreen. It delivers a burst of freshness to the skin and tons of hydration without that greasy feeling. My second contender is La Roche-Posay's Anthelios Mineral Tinted Ultra Fluid Lotion. It's super light and gentle enough for even sensitive skin types. Plus, it's slightly tinted so you won't get that pesky white cast that often comes with mineral filters. Last but not least is the perfect sunscreen from Consonant. The Canadian brand managed to create a sunscreen that's all natural, water resistant, and never thick or sticky. So these are all great picks, but if you only buy one, I would go with the La Roche-Posay. Dermatologists recommend wearing sunscreen every single day, rain or shine. So you want to make sure to find a formula that really fits your needs. For me, that means something that works really well under makeup, and this guy fits the bill. And there you have it. Go ahead and step outside knowing your mug is fully protected. The kit's got you covered.